Okay, today we'll discuss about development surface of a square pyramid. I have a question. A square pyramid of 30 mm dia and 60 mm axis. Base of the pyramid is resting in the horizontal plane. Okay, resting in the HP. All sides of square pyramid is inclination to the vertical plane. An auxiliary inclined plane cut the square pyramid with 45 degrees angle and inclination to the horizontal plane. And the next, the auxiliary inclined plane bisect the axis. Okay, bisect the axis. Okay, this is your question. Okay, here we have a simple projection. Here we have a simple projection of square pyramid. All sides are inclination to the vertical plane. This is vertical plane, this is your vertical plane, and horizontal plane. This is top view, and the next this is front view. This is O. Okay, this is intersection point of two corners in square pyramid. Axis O dash, center point or O dash. Okay, this is your O dash projection. Okay, here we have A, B, C, D. Okay, the next from the top view we have A dash projection here. The next here we have B dash, D dash projection. The next here we have C projection, C dash. This is C dash. Okay, the next in question, then auxiliary inclined plane bisect this axis. Means bisect means it intersects at midpoint. Bisecting means it intersects the axis at midpoint. Okay, midpoint means 30 mm. Okay, why? Because it's 60 mm axis. Okay, this is for 30 mm. And measure the angle, with 45 degrees. Measure the angle with 45 degrees. Draw the auxiliary inclined plane. Okay, this is your auxiliary inclined plane with 45 degrees angle. This is your auxiliary inclined plane with 45 degrees angle at the axis. 45 degrees angle at the axis and bisecting the axis. Okay, bisecting the axis, you have to draw this unfolded surface of this cutting edge. You have to draw unfolding surface of this cutting edge. Okay, you have to, first of all you have to unfold full surface of this pyramid. Okay, you have to unfold full surface of this pyramid. And next, before you unfold, you have to measure true length. Okay, you have to measure true length. Here we have, okay, from this diagram. Okay, from this diagram all sides are inclination. The corners are of square prism here. Okay, there is these two corners project the true length. Okay, these corner able to project the true length of this object. These two are the apparent length. Okay, these two are apparent lengths. Okay, I will prove why the apparent length. Okay, from O dash. Okay, O dash, A dash. Okay, this is O dash, A dash, this is true length. Okay, rotate this compass here. Okay, rotate this compass here. Okay, we will have this much difference. Okay, this much difference between true length and this axis. Okay, and the next will comes here. Okay, this is true length. Okay, this is true length. These two edges are able to project true length of this object. Okay, the next from this baseline. Okay, on this baseline measure, let's point O. Okay, let's point O at anywhere. Okay, let's measure the O dash, C dash or O dash, A dash distance. Okay, measure the edge distance, measure this slant edge distance from O, make an arc. From O, make an arc. From O, make an arc. Okay, this is your arc. The next, finally, this side of the square prism is 30 mm. Okay, with 30 mm distance. Okay, with 30 mm measure from this point. Okay, from this intersection point, cut this arc 4 equal parts. Okay, why? Because we have 4 edges and 4 sides of square prism. That's why you have to cut 4 points. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is your, so you have to, when you unfold this surface, when you unfold the square pyramid. Okay, at any point I am unfolding it A. This is your starting point A. Okay, this is your starting point A, and final, and the next here we have B. The next here we have B. The next here we have C. The next here we have, finally we have D. And the next your people know, when we unfolding at a point, okay, when we unfolding at a point, the points able to project two length, okay, able to project two length. Why? Because when you unfolding at intersection point, this is a intersection, okay, we have DAH and AB edge, okay. DA, when you are unfolding from A, we have DA edge, DA base and AB edge. Here we have AB base, okay, there is no DA edge in this, okay, that's why you have to mention this DA also, okay. And finally this is A, okay. See carefully, AB edge, AB edge and BC edge, BC edge and CD edge, CD edge and the next DA edge. Here we have DA edge, okay. From O dash joint all these points, okay, from O dash joint all these points. And the next, this is a square pyramid. This is a square pyramid. We have only straight lines, okay, we have only straight lines for edges. Why? Because the square pyramid have edges, there is no plane surface, okay, there is no plane surface. When you unfold in this subject, the bottom side you will get straight lines only, you will get straight line only. That's why you have to joint AB, AB and BC, AB and BC and CD and finally DA, okay, finally DA. This is the unfolding surface of total true unfolding surface of a square pyramid, okay. Let's, you have to joint, you have to find out cutting object unfolded surface, you have to find out unfolded surface of cutting object, okay. To here, see here, here we have from it, this is A dash projection, this is A dash projection, here we have C1 cutting edge, C1 cutting edge, C1 dash, okay. Next here we have B dash D dash projection, on the axis we have C2 dash and C4 dash cutting edge, C2 C4 cutting edge. Dashes means it's a front view. The next, this is C1 dash edge. Here we have, sorry, this is C means 3, okay, this is C3 dash, okay, C3 dash. Here we have A means C1, B means C2, C means C3, D means C4. Here we have 4 cutting edge, here we have 4 cutting edge. Before you draw cutting edges, this is the apparent projection, axis is axis, and the next projection of BD, okay, projection of BD edges, projection of BD edges are apparent. This line is apparent projection, this line not measured, you are unable to measure two length, okay, here we are unable to measure two length on the axis. That's why you have to draw a parallel line from cutting edge to, you have to draw parallel line from cutting edge to any true projection of any corner, okay. I'm drawing straight line, this is true projection, okay, this is C3, C2 dash and C4 dash true projection length from O dash or C1 dash, okay. The next, from O dash measure the C1 dash, okay, from O dash measure the C1 dash distance, and the next cut A projection, okay, cut this OA line, cut this OA line. Why? Because this is A projection line, okay, this is A projection, okay, here we have only A dash projection, okay, that's why C1 we have to cut this A, OA and OA, okay. Next C2 dash, C4 dash, okay, that's why, that means B dash D dash projection, that means B dash D dash projection. From O dash measure this distance, the next from O, here from O you have to cut B and finally D, okay. Why? Because here we have B projection and D projection, okay. The intersection point is auxiliary wrinkle plane cut this object at this object these two edges at C2 dash and C4 dash. Here we have B and D. Okay, next finally this is C3. This is C3 edge. Measure the distance C3, measure the C3 distance. The next from O cut this C, from O cut this C. Okay, let's make intersection points. Let's make intersection point. This is C1, C2, C3, next C4, and finally C1 cutting edge. These are the intersection points you have to draw. You have to draw lines from these intersection points. You have to draw lines from these intersection points. Okay, from C1 to C2. You have to draw a line from C1 to C2. The next C2 to C3. The next C3 to C4. The next final C4 to C1. C4 to C1. Let's make thicker lines. Okay, let's make thicker line for this cutting object with your pencil. Okay, identification purpose. The next you have to make thicker section for this edges also. Why? Because square pyramid has edges. Square pyramid has edges. These four are edges. You have to make thick lines for these edges. Okay, this is your unfolded surface of a square pyramid when it's cut by an auxiliary inclined plane and with 45 degrees angle at bisecting axis. At bisecting axis, this is the unfolding process. You have to unfold this way. You have to unfold this way. Okay, this unfolded surface of unfolded or development surface of unfolded development surface of a square pyramid. Square pyramid. This is the procedure to draw. Thank you.